Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Leather Seat Cleaner is probably one of the most sought-after car cleaning products for car owners who appreciate the luxurious feel and look of leather interiors. However, with so many options available on the market, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the best leather seat cleaner for your car, ensuring that your leather seats stay clean, protected, and looking their best for years to come. Number 5. Chemical Guys SPI_109_16 Leather Kit. This kit is your solution for keeping leather looking its best. It's a two-part system that cleans and conditions for long-lasting results. The pH-balanced cleaner in this kit penetrates deep to lift away dirt, oils, and stains. It leaves your leather feeling fresh and clean. The conditioner, enriched with vitamin E, nourishes and restores your leather's flexibility. It helps prevent drying, cracking, and fading. From car interiors and furniture to shoes and jackets, this kit is versatile enough to care for all your leather items. Keep everything looking and feeling its best. Simply apply, wipe, and buff for soft, smooth, and rejuvenated leather. It's that easy to maintain a luxurious look and feel. This kit replenishes essential moisture, protecting your leather from premature aging and keeping it looking beautiful for years to come. What we like. This kit deeply cleanses and conditions your leather, protecting it from drying and cracking. If you want to maintain the luxurious look and feel of your leather goods for years to come, this is the perfect choice. It's suitable for all your leather items, from car seats to your favorite handbag, keeping them supple and beautiful. What people say. The cleaner worked well to remove dirt and grime, and the conditioner added a subtle, natural shine without being overly greasy or heavy. The cleaning spray works great and removes a lot of dirt and grime. The conditioner leaves my leather looking well nourished and isn't too tacky. Also, the conditioner has a pleasant ozone smell, which is a nice touch. Just after cleaning one section of a very dirty seat, you can really see the difference in the condition of the leather. The other high traffic areas of the seat are shiny and have a stickiness to them from the oils and dirt that they've accumulated over the years. After just using the cleaner, all of that came out and I could run my hand across it without it sticking to it, chattering across it, etc., and the leather felt much smoother. The conditioner just amplifies that difference. The leather felt softer, more supple, even better than I remember it being when she first got the car. Number 4. Chemical Guys CWS20316 Fabric Clean. It dissolves and removes dirt, odors, and stains from automotive carpets, fabrics, and upholstery. Its deep penetrating foam makes detailing easy and professional. The foaming action lifts particles to the surface for easy cleanup with a microfiber towel or hot water extractor. This makes cleaning more efficient and effective. Unlike low-grade cleaners, it's detergent-free and low moisture. It leaves fabrics feeling soft and clean, not stiff or crusty. It's blended with patented odor elimination enzymes. This actively destroys odor-causing microbes, eliminating foul odors at their source. Beginners and professionals choose Chemical Guys for the finest car care products, world-class support, and detailing knowledge. It's more than a brand, it's a lifestyle. What we like. This cleaner uses intense foaming action to lift dirt and odors from fabric surfaces. If you're looking for a powerful yet gentle way to refresh your car's interior, especially carpets and upholstery, and eliminate stubborn odors, this product is your best bet. Its professional-grade formula leaves fabrics feeling soft and clean, without any stiff residue. What people say. This stuff works. I used it on fabric on kitchen stools with minimal elbow grease and it did so well. I diluted 1 capful with 10 parts water, then dipped a scrub brush in the mixture and scrubbed the direction of the fabric. I wiped it up with a microfiber and let it dry and it was clean. Cream-colored car seats were a mess. Not sure what had been spilled, but it was hideous, and it had been accumulated over a few years of a young driver's piggish habits: food, sweat, wet beach towels, coffee. I started with 20:1 solution per the directions, sprayed, scrubbed vigorously with a synthetic brush, and wet vacuumed big shop vac. Not much foaming from the scrubbing, and some improvement in some areas but not great. Added more chemical to the same bottle and increased to about 5:1, sprayed and scrubbed definitely white foam now and wet vacuumed over and over until the 750 ml spray bottle was about empty. Switched to pure water spray, and soaked the fabric right next to the vacuum nozzle, and eureka, the stains were lifting up. I had to repeat several cycles with water and wet vacuum because each cycle I was only getting the surface layers and the stains kept bleeding up the surface after waiting several minutes. Required more than 2 hours of effort for 4 car seats, but I can tell you assuredly I wouldn't be embarrassed to bring a guest into the car now as the seats are much improved. Great product to clean fabric interiors of your vehicle, leave a nice odor and definitely remove most of stains. Number 3. CR Guys Super Cleaner. Tired of cleaners that underwhelm? This newly formulated cleaner uses nanotechnology to lift dirt and grime at a molecular level. Say goodbye to ineffective products. Confused by all the different cleaning supplies? Simplify your life with this one multipurpose product. It's the ultimate cleaning solution. It works on upholstery, fabric, leather, vinyl, plastic, so many surfaces. This versatile cleaner tackles everything except glass and delicate screens. We prioritize quality, using the latest advancements in science and the best equipment. Our formulas are mixed and bottled in the USA. We care about customer satisfaction. If you have any concerns, our team will work hard to resolve them. What we like. This super cleaner tackles various surfaces, simplifying your cleaning routine. If you need one product to handle all your interior cleaning needs, from leather and fabric to plastic and rubber, this is the ultimate time saver. Its nanotechnology ensures effective dirt removal, making it perfect for busy individuals who want efficient and effective results. What people say. CR Guys Super Cleaner truly lives up to its name. This all-purpose interior cleaner has become my go-to for keeping my car spotless. It tackled everything from light dust to stubborn stains on leather seats, fabric upholstery, and even the carpet with impressive ease. The included foam applicator makes the process super convenient and mess-free, and I love that it doesn't leave behind any greasy residue or overpowering scent. The results are professional-level clean with minimal effort. This product removed a lot of years of dirt. While it did not get everything to a like new condition, the overall result was very good. The vehicle I used it on was a 25 years old work truck, so it had plenty of dirt to clean off. This product works. I used this on my new Mercedes-Benz to clean up some mud and stains. It worked fast and has a fresh scent. Number 2. Weiman Leather Conditioner. It gently cleans and removes dirt and residue, leaving your leather feeling soft and supple. Watch as it revitalizes your favorite leather furniture and accessories. This multi-action formula cleans, conditions, and protects all in one easy step. It's that simple. From sofas and couches to shoes and purses, it restores the beauty of your leather goods. Use it on all your leather furniture and accessories. It contains UVX-15 sunscreen to protect your leather from sun damage, fading, and cracking. Keep your leather looking its best for longer. It's perfect for cleaning and protecting your car's leather interior. Keep your car seats looking new and feeling great. Give your leather the care it deserves with Weiman Leather Conditioner. It's the simple solution for beautiful, long-lasting leather. What we like. This conditioner cleans, conditions, and protects your leather in one easy step, while offering UV protection. If you're looking for a simple yet effective solution to maintain and restore the beauty of your leather furniture and accessories, this is a great option. Its UV protection is particularly beneficial for items frequently exposed to sunlight. What people say. It cleans any leather effectively and leaves the leather looking like $1,000,000, and that is no exaggeration. I finally waded in with this new leather cleaner and cleaned everything covered with leather, cushions, frame, side cushions. I even sprayed the cleaner directly onto several cushions because they were so dirty, and dry, and cracked. In spite of my low expectations, the couch and chair looked noticeably better. From the moment I applied this miraculous cleaner and conditioner to my leather tools and work surfaces, I was blown away by the transformative results. The non-toxic formula delicately restored the luster and suppleness of the leather, breathing new life into every piece it touched. Number 1. Chemical Guys Leather Kit. This kit is perfect for cleaning and conditioning all your leather goods. It's not just for cars, use it on furniture, clothes, and shoes too. Just like you care for your skin, this kit helps keep your leather hydrated and healthy. Regular cleaning and conditioning will keep it looking its best. It's pH balanced to gently clean and protect your leather. This preserves its strength and appearance without harsh chemicals. The cleaner removes dirt and oils, while the serum protects against fading and staining, leaving your leather soft and supple. This kit is designed to last. You'll get many uses out of each bottle, making it an excellent value. It works on natural, synthetic, pleather, and faux leather. This kit is versatile and effective on all your leather items. What we like. This kit offers a pH-balanced cleaner and a protective serum to keep your leather looking and smelling new. If you want to treat your leather with the same care you give your skin and hair, this is the ideal choice. The dual-action formula cleanses effectively while protecting against UV damage and stains. What people say. It's working great. I sprayed it on leather seats liberally and then worked it with the brush until liquid was foaming. Some extra dirty spots worked a little longer, then wiped foam with microfiber cloth and it looked great. It's 12 years old minivan with creased leather, but it is clean and nice. Has faint pleasant odor, which goes away after wiping. I used this to clean my leather steering wheel and seats. It worked really well. Other products leave the steering wheel sticky, but not this one. After months of searching for the perfect product to rejuvenate my car's leather interior, I finally decided to try the Chemical Guys leather cleaner. The results? Absolutely stunning. The cleaner effortlessly lifted away dirt and oils, restoring the leather's natural beauty and suppleness. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.